The last decade has witnessed an exciting evolution in cancer treatment, with a growing number of tumor-agnostic therapies gaining regulatory approval. These groundbreaking treatments move away from the conventional one-size-fits-all approach to therapy, allowing us to match patients with the most effective drugs based on specific molecular alterations regardless of tumor type. This report provides a comprehensive analysis of this transformative field, exploring both the remarkable achievements and the challenges that lie ahead. The report covers the landscape of approved and pipeline therapies, the latest clinical trial data, market access and commercialization strategies, as well as the role of emerging technologies like AI. Let's delve deeper into some of its key highlights. Executive summary. Tumor-agnostic therapies represent a transformative advancement in oncology. These therapies are built on a biomarker-based precision medicine model that decouples treatment decisions from traditional histological and anatomical classifications. Regulatory approvals of small molecule kinase inhibitors such as larotrectinib, selpercatinib, dabrafenib-trametinib, and pemigatinib have validated this approach, highlighting the therapeutic impact of targeting specific genomic alterations across diverse tumor types. However, despite their groundbreaking nature, current tumor-agnostic approvals are often partial, primarily limited to solid tumors, and exclude hematologic malignancies even when molecular targets are shared. In addition, identifying eligible patients through genomic screening of large tumor cohorts remains resource-intensive, impeding broader clinical deployment. This report explores the evolving landscape of tumor-agnostic therapies, the market access challenges they face, and how AI-driven biomarker discovery is shaping the next wave of innovation in chronic and hard-to-treat diseases. 2. Tumor-agnostic drug development. A paradigm shift in oncology. The development of tumor-agnostic therapies marks a fundamental shift in oncology. Rather than focusing on the tissue of origin, these therapies are guided by molecular signatures such as gene fusions, mutations, and amplifications across multiple cancer types. This model has been enabled by advancements in next-generation sequencing NGS, which allow clinicians to match patients to therapies based on molecular alterations regardless of tumor location. 3. Approved tissue-agnostic therapies. The following kinase inhibitors illustrate the diverse applications of this model. Larotrectinib targets 𝗘𝗫𝗏 gene fusions. It was the first therapy approved purely on a tumor-agnostic basis, showing remarkable efficacy across multiple adult and pediatric tumor types. Its niche value lies in addressing rare cancers, such as salivary gland carcinoma and infantile fibrosarcoma, through a fast-track regulatory strategy. Selpercatinib targets RET gene alterations. Initially approved for RET fusion-positive thyroid cancers and non-small cell lung cancers and SCLC, it is advancing towards broader, tissue-agnostic use. Its clinical value is underpinned by high selectivity, which minimizes toxicity and supports expansion into new indications. Dabrafenib in combination with trametinib targets BRAF600E mutations. This combination therapy has shown strong efficacy across a spectrum of rare solid tumors, including central nervous system malignancies. Its advantage is in managing aggressive cancers with limited treatment options, validating combination strategies in a tumor-agnostic context. Pemigatinib targets FGFR2 fusions and rearrangements. Though initially approved for cholangiocarcinoma, it is being explored in other FGFR-driven cancers. It demonstrates the potential for rare genomic alterations to be addressed through a basket trial approach across multiple cancer types. 4. Tumor-agnostic drug development. Key considerations. While the tumor-agnostic approach offers immense potential, successful development and deployment of these therapies require careful consideration of several key factors, the overcoming barriers to access and adoption. Despite the promise of tumor-agnostic therapies, several barriers hinder their broader adoption and access. These include limited inclusion of hematological malignancies. Although molecular targets such as kinase fusions are present in both solid and blood cancers, Current approvals largely exclude hematologic indications. Low prevalence of target alterations. The rarity of specific genomic alterations, such as NTRK fusions in most tumor types, necessitates screening of thousands of patients to identify a few eligible cases, adding complexity. Trial design and enrollment barriers. Basket and umbrella trials, while efficient, present operational challenges in managing diverse patient populations across multiple institutions. AI-driven closed-loop biomarker discovery. A new therapeutic frontier. Artificial intelligence AI is revolutionizing drug discovery by enabling a closed-loop system that accelerates the identification and validation of biomarkers. Biomarker discovery. AI models trained on vast multi-omics datasets can detect subtle molecular patterns and predict novel oncogenic drivers faster than traditional methods. Target disease mapping. Machine learning models can simulate disease progression and therapeutic response, identifying synthetic lethality interactions and new therapeutic windows across cancer types. Drug optimization. AI accelerates compound screening, kinase selectivity modeling, and toxicity prediction, reducing failure rates in preclinical and clinical stages. This integrated approach significantly shortens the time from target identification to clinical candidate selection, reduces costs, and supports precision design of first-in-class therapies. 7. Strategic outlook. To maintain momentum and drive continued innovation in tumor-agnostic drug development, strategic investments and collaborative efforts are crucial. Key focus areas include: invest in AI-enabled platforms that integrate genomics, transcriptomics, and phenotypic data for closed-loop drug discovery. Develop cross-sector partnerships between biotech, diagnostics, academia, and healthcare systems to enhance trial design and real-world implementation. Advocate for expanded regulatory frameworks that support broader molecular indications, including hematologic malignancies and non-oncology diseases. Employ real-world data and predictive analytics to inform post-approval expansion and payer engagement strategies. By prioritizing these strategic imperatives, the oncology community can pave the way for a new era of precision medicine, ensuring that patients have access to the most effective therapies tailored to their unique molecular profiles. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more updates on cutting-edge research and technological advancements.